Hello and welcome to Orchids 365 and happy 2023. This is my first official video in January, and I started off with this one that I ended in December that is starting to open. I will put the ID in the video because it's somewhere in that root system. And it's a very long name that starts with a W, so if I try to say it off the back of my head, I'm gonna mess it up. Look how pretty. What I love about these are the freckles and the contrast of the lip. See, depending on with the lighting, and there's still a lot more opening. I also have another one coming up here. Again, the Lamellata with the Gigantea cross is in bud again. I guess by the next time I do a video, she will be open. Just want to show you one more time before I go back there to show you all the beautiful blooms that I have so far this month. Intermission. I interrupt the orchid content for the lipstick plant. So many blooms this time. My goodness. What a beauty. The first one that greets you is the Volcano Trick Queen, and now all of her buttons are open. This one's already on the way out because this one opened first, and I love the lighting right now. Just does more justice to the color. So this one's doing her thing. This beautiful Vanda opened up. This is the damage from the cold. This will fall off like this one. It'll probably fall off soon. This is my Samran Spots. Brighton's Moonbeam. This one is a very frequent bloomer. The rest of the flowers are facing the other way, but love her freckles. A little bit like brownish reddish freckles. And I have this one that I like to call my little dragons, always blooming, guys. This thing does not stop. Let me try to focus for you. Always blooming. This is the Lamellata Pratchett Gold from when Moats had the import sale a while back. She's already very well established. And I have this one. A little more spotting than the other one up here, and one of the first Vanda cities that I ever made, doing her thing. And Miss Frances Fox has so many buds now. I took a picture of her when she started opening, and now she's a little less red. Look, there you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 more that are gonna open, so I'll be enjoying her. I wish they would have all opened at the same time, but I did lose about 4 or 5 because she had double spikes, and these made it through that cold blast, guys. So my favorite, she is definitely in my top 3, and it's all because of that lip, the size of the flower, the fragrance, everything about her. I just love Frances. I mean, what is there not to love about her? And I do have a weakness for the reds, the orange, the freckles, and just, she's very, very, very red when she opens, and then those little yellow stripes are coming out. I just love her. So I'm looking forward to enjoying the rest of those. And took really long to do a video because I've been preparing for, sorry about the blur, Tamiami, and I'm ready and I'm super excited. Look, here's a little sneak peek of the Gigantea. Super, super, super excited. I've never been a vendor at such a big show. I hope I get to shop. I'm gonna be very busy. I hope I can get a sneak peek when I go set up on Thursday. And if I do, it'll probably be on Instagram. because I cannot do lives on YouTube just yet. So I can probably do a live on Instagram. This is my orange tree and she's full of buds. This up here is a burn, but I love the intensity of the orange on this one. It'll probably look, I'm trying to zoom in as much as I can. It'll look so nice when they're all open. See, it has little clusters everywhere of flowers. Sorry, this thing zooms out and then it blurs. Then this Gigantea, which is the Gigantea Red, has 3, guys. And it's called Gigantea Red, but they're a very, very, very deep purple, almost black when they open. So this will probably be the showstopper. It's gonna smell really good in here real soon. And my next video will definitely begin with her. Everything's going good. I found an amazing fan for the greenhouse. I have to turn it on, but it's been a little cold, so. And then back here, slowly but surely, I'm getting organized. I kept the bones of the old one so that I can hang my mounts and all my stuff. And here I have my Tulumnias are in spike. They haven't opened yet, but I think they're about to. So I have 3 little Tulumnias in here and they have spikes. So in my next video. Now this baby that I got back at Palmer's in November is blooming again, and I love her because I have a thing for these little green flowers. And look at that little lip. She is adorable. She is a cross with the Vietnamica, and she's crossed with a Thailandica. So she's a neat little cross, a Tourette Vanda. And I bought her just like this. I might put her on one of something that I make because to do her a little more justice, but she seems happy here on her little hook. So here's her ID. Definitely a unique one. Stood out to me when I went to the Palmer's fall sale in November, and she bloomed. I bought her blooming and she bloomed again, and those buds made it through the cold snap. So definitely a trooper. And before I forget, I'm gonna end this video because I don't want to make it too lengthy, but I'm gonna be taking these baskets, and I have them labeled as Vanda baskets, but I mean, I have other things. Like I have this Encyclia, super happy in there, completely potted in it. It's become one of my favorite, most versatile ones. I have another one over there. So I'm gonna have these. I'm gonna have Vanda sleeves. I'm gonna have honeycomb mounts, and what's going on with that Walkeriana is amazing. Let me show you. Look at that. I love what's going on right there. I'm going to have so many nice things available. Some things are gonna be more in stock than others, but I cannot wait. I will be in booth 132 next to Blanca and Ophi's Orchid Supplies, and I think right across from Max Orchids. And so when you enter the show and you make a right and you go all the way down, I'll be there. So I hope those of you that are going, you stop by, say hi, and check out my booth. And I'm just super, super, super excited, guys. I'm gonna try my best to maybe give you a sneak peek on Instagram on Thursday when I go in the afternoon to set up. So because I can't do those kind of lives on YouTube just yet. I don't have so enough subscribers, I believe, to unlock that feature. So I will do an Instagram live. I would try to record a video, but I can't promise you anything. Look how cute. Look at that new root. But yeah, I hope to see you then. And if you're out of town, don't worry. I'm going to try my best to bring you along virtually. So with that being said, I hope you have a beautiful week. I hope I can meet some of you, and don't be shy. Say hi. And we'll hang out at the show, okay? So with that being said, be kind, stay safe, and I'll see you this weekend.